Hello children, today our lesson in English is number 36, Gadge Maharaj. Gadge Maharaj. Gadge Baba was a modern saint. His real name was Debuji Jingaraji Janorkar. He lived many years ago, but he is still remembered for the great work he did in thousands of places. He had silver hair, brown eyes, fair skin. He was big, tall, and had a stout body. He wrapped a lungi around his waist and wore a torn but clean shirt. A cloth shoe adorned one foot, while the other foot was many times bare. He always carried a bowl and a stick. Because of this bowl, Gadge, people started calling him Gadge Maharaj. He roamed from village to village, spreading his message of cleanliness, humanity, and the importance of education. He liked bhajan, kirtan, and to teach people. Thousands of people flocked to listen to his kirtan. After the kirtan, people flocked to touch Gadge Baba's feet. But he wouldn't allow anyone to do that. He would tell the people to develop good qualities and that there was no point in touching his feet. Baba followed one rule. Wherever he went, be it a village, a town, or a small settlement, he asked for sturdy brooms, spades, and pans. Then he would sweep and clean the whole area. If you visit a holy place in Maharashtra like Pandharpur or Nasik or Dehu or Alandi, you will see the work Gadge Baba did in these places. He himself worked hard, asked for help, and built free boarding places, ghats on rivers, and water spouts. For the poor, helpless, disabled, and the needy, he started places that offered food free of cost. He built schools, colleges, and hostels for children. He saw God in the poor and the miserable people. Serving these people was his way of serving God. So children, what did we learn from this lesson? Yes, the first thing that we learn from this lesson is to keep our surrounding clean. Second, to find God by serving the poor and the needy.